The following is a demonstration of Reed's BT2 Plastic Pipe Beveler. The BT2 beveler can bevel a pipe capacity from 1.5 to 12-inch diameter. Reed's beveler produces a smooth 15-degree bevel on all types of plastic pipe, including gasketed PVC and C900 PVC, in about 1 minute. Before you bevel, it is essential to first clamp the pipe down snug so it doesn't turn. Reed offers chain vices that are suitable for the task. Prepare the pipe end by cutting it square. Reed quick-release tubing cutters are great for this step. Begin by placing the beveler on the pipe. Be sure that the saddle edge lines up with the end of the pipe. Adjust the roller bar up against the pipe to provide adequate gap for the wall thickness to be beveled. Tighten the roller knob firmly. Next, slightly loosen the bevel bar clamp knob. Then tighten the adjusting screw until the saddle V is square to the pipe. Firmly tighten the bevel bar clamp knob. You are now ready to bevel the pipe by rotating the revolving handle in a smooth, continuous clockwise motion. Proper operation requires inward pressure on the revolving handle to feed the bevel blades. Bevel to half the wall thickness, or check the pipe manufacturer's specifications.